Welcome back to the channel. As you know, I don't know if you do know, but my chuck on my mini drill press, on my table drill press, fell off. It turns out it's a taper one. It was on there like so. And basically how I removed it was I used what I had. I don't have the removal tool. So basically, there at taper, I lined it up and banged on it until it started moving, and then it popped right off, okay? And I read on the side of this, I don't know if you can see it, but it says right here, it says 1.5, 13, and it's a taper. So went to the trusty old Amazon and got this one by YXQ. It's a 1.5 by 30, and here she is. And in all sense and purposes, it looks very similar. It may be a hair smaller, maybe, but I mean, it looks pretty good. And this one actually works, other than this one doesn't work. So that's what we're gonna go with. And then to place it, and the other good thing I forgot to say is that this one comes with the corresponding key that fits. And as you know, the old one, this press didn't come with a key initially, so I was always hunting it. But look, nice tight fit. That's nice. That's going to be good. All right, so to get this one back in, I'm just going to put a place on it like so, and then I'm just going to push it down and seat it like so, and there she is. And that should work like that, and it shouldn't come off. So that's it. So I got the matching key, and that's how you that's how I remove this chuck. And then just make sure you order the right one. I did accidentally order a threaded one, which, you know, now I have, so I don't know. But yeah, this has had a taper. I didn't notice it when I ordered it that it was threaded. This is my error, but everything else was exactly the same. So I just had to go back in and get the right one. So now, yeah, now I can put my drill bit back in, and it should be good to go. Okay, there we go. Put the key in nice and tight. All right, guys, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day. And again, this is a very short video, so otherwise, you know, hopefully that helps you out. But again, I use those, push it together to pry that apart, and it was enough wedge to actually get it to go. Okay. And it doesn't seem like it hurt anything. So again, now I can keep using this press, and we'll see. We'll go from there. Okay. All right, guys, take it easy, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care now.